In this video, we will be covering how to update the software on your Indian RIDECOMMAND system. Start by turning on your computer. Open an internet browser and visit ridecommand.indianmotorcycle.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Update Vehicle Software button. Select Touring and Bagger. Click on the Update Software button. Scroll down the page until you see the most recent Download Update button. Begin downloading the update file. This may take a few minutes to complete. A 32 GB or larger USB drive formatted to exFAT is required to perform updates. Please use the Indian Motorcycle drive that was provided with your bike, or order the drive from our service parts. Plug the USB drive into your computer. Before transferring the file from your computer to the USB drive, you'll need to make sure the USB drive is formatted to exFAT. Before you format the drive, be sure to save any existing files that are on the USB drive to a different location, as they will be deleted when you format the drive. To do so on Windows, open the File Explorer and right-click on the USB drive. Click on Format. Adjust the file system to be exFAT. Select Start to change the USB format. On Mac, open the Disk Utility program. Under External, select your USB drive. Select Erase at the top. Under the Format tab, change to exFAT. Click Erase to change the USB format. Once the USB drive is formatted to exFAT, go to Downloads. Locate the file and drag it to the USB drive. After it has saved, unplug the USB drive from your computer and head to your motorcycle. Before downloading the file to your bike, it's important to connect your bike to a TRICKLE charger. You can visit our website to buy a TRICKLE charger. Plug the USB drive into the USB port on your bike. On Chieftain and Roadmaster models, the port can be found in the storage compartment above the dash. On Challenger models, it is located in the right side storage compartment. Power on your RIDECOMMAND display. From the home screen, click the Center Settings button. Select All Settings. Press the General button on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Update Software. On this screen, you will see the software update file name. Select Install. Confirm the update by selecting Install again. The update will begin installing. Once complete, the system will restart and be equipped with the most up-to-date software. For more information on Indian Motorcycle's RIDECOMMAND, check out the Indian Motorcycle YouTube channel or ridecommand.indianmotorcycle.com.